Up next in fourth place is the Max Sports. If you ever need a reliable wagon cart for carrying all of your sports equipment in one go, get a folding wagon cart for camping like the Max Sports that is built with 600D plastic material. Max Sports comes highly recommended for use in all weather conditions because its plastic body is resistant to mildew. It is also UV resistant, so its color will not fade quickly no matter how long you leave it under the hot sun. It has a large capacity with an inner dimension of 32.5 by 17.5 by 10.5 inches and an outer size of 35 by 20 by 23 inches, so you can use it to transfer as much equipment as you need to the sports venue or back home. Despite its large capacity, we liked that this folding wagon cart for camping can be folded to reduce its size to only 18 inches thick to prevent it from taking up too much storage space. It also has a carrying case that you can put inside after folding to protect it from dust and make it easy for you to carry around. The Max Sports can hold up to 150 pounds of weight, so go ahead and stack it up with gear because it is equal to the task. One of the best features of this folding wagon cart for camping that we can't get enough of is its adjustable handle. You can modify the handle to suit your height, no matter how tall or short you may be. Additionally, the Max Sports is built with the user's comfort in mind. That is why it has two mesh cup holders, where you can put your refreshing drinks, water, and beverages while working to keep you hydrated. Lastly, unlike other folding wagon carts for camping that are on the market with tires that constantly get stuck, the Max Sports has wheels specially made for rolling through gravel. Its pros are, it has a carrying bag, its handle length can be altered, and it is easy to set up and fold up. However, it doesn't have a wheel lock. The Max Sports is a folding wagon cart built to carry sports equipment and other kinds of stuff around without stress. Still haven't found a folding wagon cart for camping that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third